Hey everyone, it's me, Morgan, and today we are going to do some unboxing. And so, let's get started. So, got this big box right here. And you're probably wondering what it is, what I'm unboxing. Well, it is a 8-inch selfie ring light with a tripod stand. This is gonna help me, right now you are on a tripod and it's kind of wonky, it's not really the best. So this one, we got help from one of my mom's Filipino friends. So if she watches this, thank you so much. Like, it's very appreciated. So yeah, but the tripod I'm using right now isn't really the best tripod, so we got this. So this is the user manual, and hold on. Okay. Ooh, okay. Alright, let's just get into this. So there's this little box. It's a single pull rear pillow mobile phone stand. See, little phone stand. They call it engineering, plastic, safe to use. Okay. Let's break into this bad boy. So, in this little box, it fell out of the bag. Two little pieces wrapped in plastic, but this one fell out. And I assume it goes into your car vent, like where the air comes out. Just kind of. I don't want to break it. That's all I'm gonna say. So I see how it works. It's just, yeah. So I see how it works. It's just a few pictures, so Whoa, well, that's cool. Okay. Here I am, trying not to break it. Okay, hold on. There we go. So, I feel like yeah, little car stand thing, and then this goes like that. I think I need adult supervision for this. Yeah, we're gonna set that to the side. This, just like I assume it's just like this. This is for it's like a Bluetooth remote that can take videos. Like, you just click it, like, to picture video. Those are very handy, so you're not just like, I actually love it. Love those little things. And this, I'm not completely sure what this is, but I'm gonna set it to the side. Let's get to the bowl. I guess this is a tripod. Ooh. Oh. So it does something like a spider. This is cool. And oh my, holy cow, guys! Look how tall this can get. Literally, it's like my whole bed. Wow, and then you can even go like, this thing. So pretty cool, pretty snazzy. Ooh, okay, so I have it set at the tallest setting. Oh, is this? Does that go with that? I don't think so. Where's it? Okay. Oh, so this is for the light. That's where the light goes on to. Or how do we connect to it? That's my question. Let me get it off the tallest setting. Or whatever. So, before I break it. Oh, that's so cool. It's like a little robot. A robot dude. Oh, wait. I think it would help if I brought out the light. And it's in this cute little box. So, let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look. That's so nice. Okay. Put that right there. Oh my gosh, it feels so cool. Okay, so this right here is the settings. I don't know if it's gonna focus or it's just, yeah, see? So I can go up, down, off, or model, and I don't know what model mode is. What's that? Alright, so it's not saying what model mode is? Up, down. Yeah, those pictures don't, they're not the same pictures. So, I don't know. But, okay, phone holder, I don't, it's not what I need. I need, oh! So this piece, I'm done doing this, can go like that. And then we can put in, where's your little reader? This guy. This little piece, which I didn't know what to do with, can go here. And I'm pretty sure this has to charge before using portable power. It's fine. It just only fell off my bed. So let's get this out and plug this in. So maybe tie that. I'm just gonna tie it so it can get charged. Cause you know, for it to work, it needs to be charged. That makes sense. So this piece, and this piece, and this piece goes onto this piece. I think. What are you doing? What are you doing? Is that the light? The light go on this little wobbly dude? Oh. Now he's not so wobbly. Okay. Okay. Alright. So, you know, the pin isn't in there. This little pin isn't on this. It's like really wiggly. But once I put it in there, it tightens up. So I can... Yeah, how that works. It's working. I'm trying to twist it onto there. I mean, it's semi-working. I think this is a little bit of a process. But it feels more heavier and more sturdy than the one that I'm using right now to film this. And I feel like I'm just breaking it. I don't know. I'm just gonna put that to the side. Because I don't want to break it. So, yeah. It's actually not just skin through it. I don't know what this does, what I'm doing right now. But, we'll see, I guess. getting farther away. Oh, this holds the phone. I'm really smart. You know that, guys? I'm really extremely smart. I'm extremely smart. There's a picture right here. It's crazy how smart I am sometimes. It's like, honestly, mind-blowing. Like, I think my IQ is higher than, Elon Musk. Smart. Oh, my IQ is better than literally anyone. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up right here. I'm gonna move that box. I'm gonna set it up right here. I don't know how you guys are gonna see it, so I'm gonna try to move my things around. So yeah. Okay, so my phone, like the tripod that you are on now, fell off the table that I'm using for this, and it's like keeps moving. It's weird. I don't know. Let's just get back to this. Okay. Going to untwist this. There we go. So I can bring it over here. Okay. So oh my. look at that. It's so bright. Look. Oh my god. So bright. So bright. So bright. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go blind. Alright. So what does model do? Ooh, it's a bluer light. There's so many modes. Like, so this one's more of a yellowy tone. The one it's on now. Like, this one's more blue. That one's like way more bright. And that one's just like kind of like a mixture of both. I love that. What's this? So down, making it more dimmer. Then up, making it hella brighter. Like, my fingers are gone. Like, you can only see the two. Alright, let's turn it off. My eyes. They're seeing multiple colors. This goes into this little hole. Like, the top of this goes into here. And, oh, maybe for, there we go. Let's twist it in there. This exciting, riveting stuff. I love this light. Oh my god. Like, oh, that lights up my whole entire room. Oh my god. So then this goes on top of here. Wait, hold on. Sorry for the background noise. I don't live by myself. Tight, but not too tight. Alright. Oh, it's not going to be able to do that because it's connected to a wire. Okay, I get you. I understand. I hear ya. But, what is happening? I don't want this to break, please. I understand. Okay. My cat is watching from the other side of the room in sheer disappointment. Come on. Just get tighter. Alright. So I guess I'll put this here. Oh, Das, you like the box? He's touching the box. Okay. So I guess I'll put this here. Alright. It's all around it. We'll just... Oh my god. So bright. And then there's different modes. I love this. Okay, let's put this on. Right. Okay. Tripod. Okay. So then just kind of... What is this? Oh, it's for when it's really skinny. Okay. So I don't like this. Because on the widest... one of the widest settings. So we just clip it here. Just gonna... Oh, well, maybe I do need to... I need the grippy. Okay. Guys. She said no. She said no, sis. I can't. Well, no, it's not. Now it's a little too big for her. Maybe it's just not supposed to be this low. We'll just say that. Then this can move 380 degrees. What do you say? 360. 380 out. 360 degrees. Okay. I don't know. This is being weird. I don't like the gummy. No gummy. You're just going right here. You just go right here and you'll enjoy it and you'll be like, thank you. Okay. Okay, it's fine. I don't need it the other way. We did it. We did it. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So like, comment, and subscribe, and bye.